Actress Zenande Mfenyana, affectionately known by many fans as Tum Tum, has scored a major win after taking home the award for Best Supporting Actress in a telenovela at the prestigious South African Film and Television Awards. The talented star earned the recognition for her standout performance in the hit telenovela Inimba, where her portrayal of the character has kept viewers glued to their screens. Her performance has been widely praised for its emotional depth and authenticity, proving once again why she remains one of South Africa's most respected and talented actresses. Following the announcement of her win, fans and fellow celebrities quickly flooded social media with congratulatory messages celebrating the actress for her hard work and dedication to her craft. Zenande's victory not only highlights her incredible talent but also marks another proud milestone in her career as she continues to shine and make a powerful impact in the South African television industry. Many viewers have also shared how her role in Inimba has been one of the most memorable performances on television this year, making her SAFTA win feel well-deserved and wildly celebrated.